And that is really the reason I got this one the most. What's happening? Rig like mine, you know, I'm mostly little light overlanding, campsites, that kind of thing. You'd figure there's no reason to really need to air down the tires that much in places I'm going, or places like lights work like you might be going. But actually, there's a million reasons to be able to air down your tires. You know, maybe you go to Uari, it's all perfectly sand down there. You're in a situation out west where, you know, you're stuck in some sand. You know, letting your tires down probably could have helped you in that situation. You might go as fancy as onboard air and some of those more expensive setups. I'm not sure I'm going to use mine that often. So I wanted something solid, but I didn't want to really break the bank on, you know, fancy ARBs and things like that. So what I did was went on Amazon, found some stuff, link in the description for this product and any product you see on my build or I've talked about in any of my videos. Please check them out. So I got a little kit so I can air up and down my tires, and let's take a peek at it. All right, so I picked up this. It is an all-top. It's on Amazon, single stack pump. This particular unit right here attaches right to your battery. It's got a pretty large draw. I actually checked into it. I cannot put it on my gangbank with my lights and things because it just pulls too much. This is a quick release chuck. I'm gonna guess that this is a proprietary size, maybe, because they actually come with this adapter right here, which makes it into, looks to be more of a standard setup on there, so that puts right in. It is matching my orange, my Gladiator, the Mojave, the mountain bike, you name it. You know how I do it. With this, the number one reason of all the pumps I looked at that were in kind of this price range, which is the medium to lower end of the scale, all had this really crap spiral hard plastic hose that came with it. And that is really the reason I got this one the most. This is a nice rubberized hose. It's real thick. It's very long looking. This one actually comes, it's got its own valve set up on the top right there, a little protector for it. It quick releases right onto its own valve. This side comes, whoops. This side comes ready to hook up to whatever you want with this end right here. Then it also comes with the adapter that has got the quick release on there too for your tire. The usual, what you'd expect, needle for a basketball, accessories, stuff like that comes with it. Also, same brand, all top, I am using, comes in this nice little pouch. These are a quick release valve cover, right? So I don't know if I can get this one to focus, or you might just have to take my word for it. On this little dial right here, there are numbers. And you adjust this dial, you adjust the number, kind of like you were doing a torque wrench, I imagine it's real similar to. And you adjust it down to where you want it. I'm going to go 15 pounds. And then you set, this set screw. This one scrolls back down and locks into place. So now, theoretically, I screw this right on my cap, and this tire should go to 15 pounds. So let's go on the dirt, and let's check some of this stuff out. All right. So all we got to do is take this little unit right here. You take your cap off. You have it all set to 15 pounds. This tire is 35 pounds currently. We're going to see how long it takes to get to 15 pounds. And all you really got to do is start to screw it on there. As soon as it starts to hiss, I'm going to start the timer. All right, she stopped. So let's pull this off. Let's check our work. Perfect, 15 pounds on the nose. So this system really works really well. For laughs, we're gonna get a baseline right now using a different kind of pump. If you watch my video, I'll put it at the end of this video. I carry Ryobi products. I like the fact that I can use interchangeable batteries with everything. I use this real fast and easy for my shower sometimes. If I have the motorcycle out, the dirt bike, and I need top off or drop downs, no sense in even breaking out the big dog. I use this one. So I'm gonna hook this up just for laughs. It's digital. It tells you how many pounds you got in and everything. I'm gonna hook it up and see how long it takes to blow this one up. Then I'll drop it back down and we'll run the all top up against it and see. All right, I got this pump right here hooked up. Second confirmation, we were at about 14.5. I had that little deal dialed to 15. That's pretty close for being on like a little rotary like it was. So we're gonna start this. Now that sucker is loud. So, if you were just thinking about grabbing your kid's air pump or picking one of these little $30 units up off the shelf and airing up and down your tires, you're looking at 30 minutes for all 4 tires. All right, so I'm gonna pop this off, bring it back down to 15. We're gonna run this all top and see where we're at. All right, we got this bad boy loaded up to the battery. Oh, hey, side note too, this Ryobi that I pumped the tire up with a second ago, it took 2 bars. So you'd have to have 2 4 amp hour batteries even to do all 4 tires in a half hour. All right, so let's get back to the big dog over here. All right, so we're at 15 on the valve. We're about to start it. I'm gonna start this and push start on this at the same time. All right, so we are at 35 pounds, and that was 1 minute and 44 seconds. So that is considerably better than the alternative. So the link in the description is my affiliate link for all these products. Anything you've seen on my truck builds, things I've demonstrated that I cook on, things like that. Please take a look. It really helps the channel. I appreciate y'all stopping by. Y'all take it easy.